Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Reviews with Lockhart Tactical. I'm Dustin, your host, and today we're doing the review on the EMI star-powered flashlight. Have you guys ever been struggling to turn on a flashlight in the dark? Is it button press? Is it a twist turn on? Who knows? Let me tell you why that's not a problem anymore. The EMI star-powered flashlight, what I hold here in my hand, is the answer to that problem. Imagine this, you're in the middle of the dark and you're trying to figure out how to turn your flashlight on. You can't find the button, trying to figure out if a twist turn on. Forget that. You pull it out and it's automatically on. Let me show you that again. You pull this out, it's automatically on. So it's got the lights going along the bar as well. Let me close that and I'll show you the top. It's got the top light as well. Top light is button pressed. The handle itself has a nice rubber textured handle, which makes it easy and comfortable to hold on to. One of the things I like the most about this flashlight is that it's super small and compact. I can put this in my rucksack, I can take it with me on my hikes, camping, or I can leave it in my car as an emergency light. This light is also shock resistant, or I should say shock proof, water resistant. Okay guys, so we came outside here so that I can show you the magnet, the shock test, and the water test. So first off, let's show you the magnet. As you can see, it works flawlessly. And the reason why you'd want to use a magnet is because it works perfectly as a utility light. So if you're in an emergency, you can stick it to the side of your vehicle, or if you need to pop the hood in the middle of the night, you can stick it to your hood and everything's lit. It's perfect for those types of situations. All right, now we're going to do the shock test. We're going to throw it up, hit the concrete, and see if it still works. As you can see, still works. Now it's tested in the water. Still works. And then that, guys, that ends the review for the EMI star-powered light. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to check out the product. Also, for any law enforcement, military, and first responders, make sure you check out our honor program. We have that specifically for you guys as a thank you for your service. Like I said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll make sure to see you guys next time.